I've been into cars my whole life, from owning a few of my own to working at 2 major automotive companies. I've been to a ton of car shows and plenty of races, but the Holley Hot Rod Reunion is one of my favorites. Here you get to see and experience some of the cars and people that started it all. For me, I love the looks of a tub muscle car. So we're gonna go find some of the baddest tub cars around here and show them to you.
And it's a Ford.
I also love to see a big blower popping out the hood of a car. So I'll take you around and show you some that really stood out to me. Let's go look at some cars. We are taking a ride in Joey Collins' horseless carriage.
It looks real easy to drive, Joey.
Well, actually, this is the first show that I've took it to. I've been saving it for this show.
Living in Kentucky, I get to see carriages, but not like this one.
I found this old car at Mount Juliet, Tennessee, behind the guy's barn, buried up in the mud. And the body was excellent, so we put it on a frame jig in my shop.
Yeah, that's a 76 427 side oiler engine in here, FE. I always liked FEs. They're a little difficult to work on, and it's old school stuff, but I think Ford and Ford's the way to go. So.
Tell us about your Galaxy, man. Love the engine.
Yeah, bought it for $520. It's the only thing I ever bought off of eBay.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I bought it about 8 years ago, and had a small block in it.
Is this your ride here?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
I'm happy with it.
I love what you did with the exhaust, man. Because I mean,
It was the toughest damn exhaust set of headers I ever built.
Wow.
There's no room in there, you know, it's just so tight.
suicide door. Wow. Seems like a whole other car. Wow. So how'd you come across this car?
It was sitting at the Redneck Rumble in Lebanon, Tennessee. And I was down there selling junk, and he unloaded it. Oh, that's a pretty cool old piece. He still had it from the days of swap meet was over, so we made a deal on it.
We bought it in 2010 on Craigslist for $500.
$500.
Yep.
All right. Wow. Basically a parts truck.
Yeah, exactly. It's a 1946, and it's actually a Dodge. They didn't make a Plymouth after World War II. And then after World War II, it was just all Dodges. But I got a Plymouth tailgate.
That's awesome that you involved your kids in it, man.
Yep.
Go check this thing out here, guys. This thing is just wicked. Oh, look at that big old Hemi. That just looks tough, man. Look at those valve covers. Look at the cage. I like that touch, man. That's like a racing cage right there. Funny car style racing cage. Got speakers mounted. This thing's for driving, boy. It's got that awesome retro modern look. I mean, dual carbs, simple and clean. Look at the install, all of everything's just nice. So tell us about your 67. I love it. I love Mustangs. I'm a Ford guy myself, so
Oh, good.
I'm all about this.
601 and runs in the high 8s.
Whoa, big stroker 460.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Awesome and simple. Just single plane.
No
One carburetor?
no nitrous, no turbos. I mean, all motors.
Cubic inch.
Something I can work on.
Awesome, man. Look at this. Dual flathead power dragster. Check out the tubs. It's covered in tread. Little small block Chevys. It's packing one of our Brawler carburetors. Nice and clean. That's hilarious. These were just a few of the awesome hot rods out here at the Holley Hot Rod Reunion. I'll see you next time.